The Little Prince, a short story. Once I was a pilot. My plane crashed in a big desert. I was all alone. Then a little boy appeared. He asked me, "Please draw me a sheep." He was a little prince. The little prince came from a very small planet. On his planet, he had a beautiful flower, a rose. He loved her very much. But the rose was sometimes difficult, so the little prince left his planet. He visited other small planets. He met strange people, like a king and a lamplighter. Finally, he came to Earth. He saw a garden with many roses. They looked just like his rose. He felt sad. Then he met a fox. The fox said, "If you tame me, we will be special to each other." The little prince tamed the fox. The fox taught him, "It is only with the heart that one can see rightly. What is important is invisible to the eye." The little prince understood. The little prince then knew his rose was special. Even if there were many roses, his rose was unique because he loved her. It was time for the little prince to go back to his planet. He left Earth. I missed him very much. Now, when I look at the stars, I think of the little prince and his special rose. He taught me to see with my heart. This story is about love and seeing what is truly important. Can you tell this story to someone? What does this story mean to you? The end.